Let's see if it's working.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet running and I keep looking at.
Hi loves, welcome to another episode. I'm here to plug you. I just went to a few stores to purchase some few stuff. I went to Flex, I went to Pep, as well as, where did I go to? Or another Pakistan stores. You know, so I got myself this Huns from Pep. It was the $9.99. So go get yours. I got this one because it's portable, it's smaller nyana. It can be just in my bag, unlike lamanya makula ngayuza line. So I recommend each and everyone to buy herself a journal. It helps you to write your devotions, your manifestations, everything that you plan. You have to write it down for it to manifest to the physical. So if you don't have diary, I'm plugging you right now. Go to Pep and buy one. Then these are the products that I bought from Clicks. You have to be strong because once right now we broke. I'm broke because of the products that I bought. I'm going to show you good products that I use for my hair. It smells good. It makes the hair looks super good. I'm going to pin everything, the products and its use and how to use it, as well as what else? The prices. Yeah, I'm gonna pin the prices as well.
I liked you better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it now, you should've been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't say my name don't seem right. But I know when to go and to stop at the green light. Oh, I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh.
Hi loves. I'm paying for my stuff now and I'm going out because wow, things are quite expensive and like esana the broke. Once then I went to the Pakistan shops. I bought these curlers. That's what I've never used these curlers. I don't know how it's gonna work out. Oh, I don't know how it's gonna work out, but hopefully it's gonna make sense, right? So I bought this. It was 40 rands for only 40 rands. Then I got this bonnet dryer attachment. Hey guys, this is a bomb. Yes, this is a bomb. Okay, let me unbox this. Open this thing and see how it looks. Okay, it's only for 60 rands. Got it from that Pakistan shop as well. Okay, this is how it looks. Apparently you put your head here. You see it? Okay, you put your head here, then that's how long it goes. Okay, right? Then the hair dryer, you attach it here. You attach it here. So I knew I'm gonna do my hairstyle and gag. No, I can't. I'll finish. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys once I take off this hairstyle. But nevertheless, these are the things that I bought. This one was, did I say? Yeah, it was 60 rands, and I think it's convenient because it mentions that you can. It is convenient for traveling, easy to use, lightweight, large, buffet size. Okay, bab. It fits all hair dryers. My man got me this pair of sneakers, another one. Let me unbox. Okay, this is how they look. I love. You go girl no pink kesana. I'm a Barbie girl, so I had to go for pink. Love it so much. Can't wait to rock them. This is size 4. This is size 4. Yeah, but basically these are the things that I got, and I'm plugging you. I don't know how much was it because this is a gift from my man. I can't ask him, Sana. So today I'm not gonna do a lot of things. I'm gonna clean, then I'm gonna have to snap for Instagram for my business page. Hey loves, it's another day, another blessing. We are here today to try out the bonnet dryer attachment. I hope it's gonna work out. I took off my hairstyle. I took it off after a week. Yeah, after a week. That's how long it lasted. So yeah, I'm about to try out this bonnet type of thingy. And one thing I love about this thing, it says you can use it while you have like your kilts on or your rods. So it is very convenient. I love it for me. So you can, while styling and like having your kilts on, and you can still wear this thing. Nice and gay. Always coming with solutions. Love it for them. Love it for me also.
You always say I got an attitude. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't say my name don't seem right. But I know when to go and to stop at the green light. Oh, I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. So I'm the one that's out of place. I'm the one that's in the way. I don't communicate. I'm so spoiled. So I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place. But you the one who came home late. And I ain't on your. So I'm the one that's out of place. I'm the one that's in the way. I don't communicate. I'm so spoiled. So I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place. But you the one who came home late.
He is out. Okay. I need this to be on the side, of course. We'll take it. This is the kind of dry that I use. Hey, okay, basically this is how it looks. This is where I insert my dryer, and it says all type of hair dryers. So alright, okay, why go name Bobonyana la Wantagala? Let's keep on it. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, sharp. Ouch, no, I'm burning. I think there's something that's happening. It works. Okay, but it goes back. Come here, Wena. Or should I insert my ears? Already, Bugale. Ibo. No. Can't insert my ears. I should hold it like this. No, yeah, protect. It's working, guys. It's working. There you go. Love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, guys, I think I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Even though it gives me a little bit of administration, but I think it is fine because it slips back a bit and you need to keep on adjusting it. But that's the disadvantage about it. But nevertheless, I think it did what it was supposed to do. Right? I love it so much. I love it. Okay, guys, please do not forget to click on the subscription button and that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I post something. Don't be able to tell me spirit. Hit that button. Like, share to your friends, man. Share to your friends. But we're coming to the end of the vlog, and I hope this vlog was helpful and you're gonna keep on maintaining your hair in a correct manner and you keep them silky, you keep them refreshed, you keep them shiny, like a nice shiny appearance. You keep them always looking like you bought a new hair. Yabo? Asifuni manimele ezingathi zinobungozi. Ngathi silwanyana sithwele ekhanda. No, don't want that. I'm plugging you guys. I'm always the girl with plugs. I'm always with the girl with plugs. So get this product, you'll never regret it, and they last very long. It depends on how you use it, how you actually maintain your thing. So you better make sure that you get this product for you to have to achieve the most beautiful hair ever. They look nice and they smell very, very gorgeous. You smell very nice, sleeky, and this I love it so much. It doesn't matter where your straight line it goes up to 250 something degrees. As long as you have this, you cannot go wrong. This is the best product that you can ever get for your hair. So make sure that you purchase this for you to achieve good results and to have top good hair. These are the only products that I use to maintain my hair. And I use both for curly and for straight. Just make sure that you don't miss out on these ones.
Girl, you're the reason you're lonely tonight. But this is season to get back your life. This is your chance. I know you. Come take a chance. Fly baby, I know you. When you see
it's no good.